These three tiny seeds can tighten your skin faster than retinol, smooth out fine lines, lift sagging areas, and restore firmness in a way that surprised even me. And here's the wild part. Seed number 3 is something you've probably thrown away thousands of times without realizing it's one of the most powerful natural anti-aging ingredients on Earth. Dermatologist-approved studies even show it can boost elasticity, support collagen, and reduce wrinkles faster than many popular creams. If you've been struggling with thinning skin, a softer jawline, creepy texture, or that tired look that seems to settle in after 40, today's video may become your new favorite. So grab your tea, get cozy, and let's dive in. Why seeds are essential for collagen. Something happens after 40 that nobody warns us about. One day you're putting on your moisturizer and everything looks normal. Then suddenly, it's like your skin changed without asking your permission. The cheeks lose volume, the neck becomes more delicate, makeup doesn't sit the same, and what used to take 5 minutes in the mirror now takes longer than we want to admit. So I started looking at natural ingredients, seeds specifically, because seeds contain concentrated nutrients designed to grow an entire plant, which means they're packed with antioxidants, amino acids, lipids, and compounds that directly support collagen and elasticity. And what I discovered was surprising. Some seeds actually outperform retinol when it comes to tightening the skin. Not with irritation, not with peeling, but with natural compounds that work with your biology instead of stressing it out. Today, I'm sharing the 3 seeds that tighten your skin faster than retinol, backed by solid science. And I'll also show you how to use each one at home, whether you want a serum, a cream, or just something simple you can add to your diet. If you want to learn more about collagen and how to smooth wrinkles naturally, join our Collagen Blueprint free community today. Let's jump in with seed number 1, chia seeds. I know, you've seen chia seeds in smoothies and pudding recipes, but what you might not know is how powerful they are for tightening the skin. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s help reinforce the skin barrier, reduce inflammation, improve elasticity, and support smoother texture. But here's the part that makes chia seeds so good for tightening: their incredible ability to hold water. When chia seeds absorb liquid, they form a gel, and when you use that gel on the skin, it acts like a natural plumping treatment. Your skin instantly looks smoother and more hydrated, but the real magic happens over time. Chia seeds contain phenolic antioxidants that help prevent collagen breakdown and support faster repair of the deeper layers of the skin. This is the opposite of what happens with aging, where collagen loss speeds up every year. Let me share how you can use chia seeds in a simple skin tightening gel. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to 1/4 cup of hot water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It will thicken into a gel. Once cooled, strain out the seeds and keep just the gel. Add 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Mix it well, apply it like a serum at night, leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse. This gel creates a tightening effect instantly, and if you use it a few nights a week, the texture of your skin will start to look firmer, especially around the mouth, jawline, and under the chin. Another tip, chia seeds are amazing when eaten too. Add 1 tablespoon to water or yogurt. The omega-3 fatty acids help the skin from the inside out. Seed number 2, hemp seeds. This one surprised me, because hemp seeds aren't usually talked about in the beauty world. But when I started researching the amino acids in hemp seeds, it all made sense. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, including glycine, proline, and arginine, the same amino acids your body needs to make collagen. This means hemp seeds don't just protect collagen, they help your body build more of it. And here's the part that makes hemp seeds so helpful for firming skin after 40. They have a rare fatty acid called GLA. GLA supports elasticity, calms inflammation, and strengthens the barrier, all things that naturally decline as estrogen drops with age. Hemp seeds also contain antioxidants like tocopherols, which neutralize free radicals before they can weaken your collagen fibers. So yes, hemp seeds are excellent for tightening the skin, not by pulling it magically, but by building up the very structure that keeps skin firm in the first place. And by the way, if you're wondering how to actually eat hemp seeds to get the full skin tightening benefits, it's incredibly simple. You don't need to make an oil, and you don't need any special recipes, even though you could do that too. Just add 1 tablespoon a day to the foods you already eat. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or mix a spoonful into warm oatmeal. A lot of people love adding them on top of salads because they give a soft crunch and boost your omega-3 intake, which keeps the skin hydrated and smooth. You can even stir them into peanut butter and spread it on apple slices for a quick snack. 1 tablespoon a day supports collagen production from within. If you want faster results, join our Collagen Blueprint community, where you'll get routines, recipes, and courses to firm your skin naturally. Seed number 3, pumpkin seeds. Alright, this one is my favorite, because almost everyone throws these away without realizing how incredible they are for anti-aging. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, and zinc is one of the most important minerals for collagen synthesis, wound repair, and firmness. Dermatologists frequently recommend zinc supplements for skin health because it reduces inflammation, supports the dermal layer, and helps maintain strong, elastic tissue. Pumpkin seeds also contain vitamin E, magnesium, omega-6 fatty acids, and plant compounds called lignans. Lignans help balance hormones naturally, and when hormones are balanced, skin tends to stay firmer and smoother. But there's something else pumpkin seeds contain that makes them more powerful than many retinol products. They're rich in antioxidants called carotenoids and lutein. These antioxidants don't just fight aging on the surface, they protect the collagen matrix deeper down. That means firmer skin long-term, not just temporarily. Now here's where pumpkin seeds get even better. Pumpkin seed oil has been shown in studies to improve skin thickness, reduce wrinkles, and boost elasticity more effectively than many synthetic creams. So let me show you how to turn pumpkin seeds into a super potent collagen-supporting serum. Start with 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seed oil. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel for soothing and tightening. Then add 4 drops of carrot seed essential oil. Carrot seed oil contains natural carotenoids that help brighten and smooth the texture. Mix everything in a small glass dropper bottle. Use this serum 2 to 3 nights per week. It feels light, absorbs quickly, and gives the skin a glow that lasts until morning. If you struggle with crepey texture on the neck, this serum is especially effective there. And if you're planning to add pumpkin seeds into your meals, they're just as easy to eat. You don't need to roast them or grind them unless you want to. Pumpkin seeds taste great on their own, and they're one of the richest natural sources of zinc, which your skin absolutely needs to stay firm. You can eat a small handful as a snack, sprinkle them over salads, or add them on top of soups and stir-fries after cooking. They also work really well blended into smoothies because they add a creamy texture and extra protein. Another simple way is to mix a spoonful into Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, especially in the afternoon when your blood sugar tends to dip. About 2 tablespoons a day is the sweet spot for skin tightening, collagen support, and keeping your skin strong as you get older. And just like hemp seeds, consistency is everything. A little every day goes a long way for firm, youthful skin. Now let's talk about how to combine all 3 seeds for faster tightening results. In the morning, stick to something light. If you want instant tightening, apply the chia seed gel before sunscreen. It gives that plump, firm look. During the day, add 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds to your food to support collagen internally. At night, alternate between hemp seed oil and pumpkin seed serum. They work beautifully together. Hemp feeds the collagen matrix. Pumpkin supports elasticity and firmness. Within a few weeks of using these 3 seeds consistently, most people notice a few things. Fine lines look softer, the cheeks look subtly lifted, the jawline looks more defined, and the overall texture becomes smoother and firmer. Nothing here is harsh, nothing irritates, nothing causes peeling. These seeds work with your biology instead of fighting it. And that's why I love talking about natural ingredients. They're gentle, they're affordable, and they're effective. If you want to take your skincare to the next level and see smoother, firmer skin in just 90 days or less, join our Collagen Blueprint community today. You'll get routines, recipes, courses, and a supportive group, all for free as a founding member. Click the link in the description to get started now. Simple, natural things work the best. God gave us all the natural remedies we need right here on Earth. I pray God bless you and heal any illness in your body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.